Suspects have a foothold in this area, and they're refusing to cooperate. Entry team, you are cleared to proceed with the mission.
Entry team to talk. We've got a wounded civilian.
Copy. EMTs and trailers standing by.
Stack up on that door.
I'm on it.
LSPD, hands up! Put your
Door's good.
Get down and put your hands up! Police, I want to see those hands!
Prepare to make entry. Breach and bang.
LSPD! Police!
Dim light.
Gun!
Good here.
Over here! Help us!
Light stick out. Nothing.
Got it.
We'll get you out of here.
Hey, asshole, not me.
Talk, this is entry team. Civilian is safe, secure, and ready for evac.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
I wanna go home.
Done.
You just slide over.
Fucking locked.
Get ready on the door. Check it.
Stacking.
Stack it up.
Got it.
Breaching! Opening on the left.
Talk, this is entry team.
Safe.
Civilian down, looks DOA.
Roger that.
Drop your weapons! Drop your weapon! Get those hands up! Drop the gun! Do it now! Drop your weapons! Drop your weapon! Get those hands up! On the ground, now! Drop the gun! Now!
Entry team to talk. Injured suspect secure and ready for transport.
Copy. Notifying EMTs.
We'll have you out of here soon.
Hey, I work here.
Entry team to talk. Civilian ready to evacuate.
Copy. Continue mission.
Oh my god, oh fuck.
This is for your own safety.
What did I do?
Entry team to talk. Civilian is okay, ready for evac.
Copy. Stay sharp.
Oh Jesus. Oh, thank God for you.
Stay calm. Everything will be all right.
Can you take these off?
Talk, this is entry team. Civilian secured and ready to evacuate.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Why are you keeping me here? Can you talk to me?
Entry team to talk. Civilian ready to evacuate.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Get down!
Get off me!
Entry team to talk. Civilian is okay, ready for evac.
Copy. Trailer standing by.
You good?
Talk, this is entry team. Found a DOA.
Roger that. Stay sharp.
We'll get you out of here.
Talk, this is entry team. Civilian is safe, secure, and ready for evac.
Copy. Trailer standing by.
Ready.
Entry team to talk. Injured suspect secured. He's in pretty bad shape.
Copy. Medical teams notified.
Doing it. I gotta cut up. Lead to talk. Suspect down in hands.
Copy. EMTs standing by.
Cuffs are on. Evidence secured. Lead to talk.
Dock to entry team. Objectives complete.